Okay, in this lecture we're going to look at how we can sort data by cell colour. Now this is quite a cool feature, folks, so let's get stuck in. Okay, so the first task is to sort the table by red cells, with red being on top. Now looking at our table, we've got one column which is coloured with either red, green or yellow. So what we have to do is first select our whole table, then go to sort and filter, custom sort. So sort by, we need to change this to total cost. Now, sort on, we have to change this to cell color. And as you can see, the options have slightly changed, and now we've got order, and then we've got on top. So if I click here, what Excel's done is that it's scanned the column and it's picked out all the unique colors. So now what we have to do is basically tell Excel which color we want to sort by. So in this case it's red. Okay, now we want red to be at the top, so we just leave this as it is. The only other option is on bottom. So in this case we click that, we go to OK. There. Excel has now sorted the table by red, with red being on top. So that's how you sort by cell color. Okay, so the next task we have to do is to sort the table by green cells, with green being on the top. So let's select everything. Now we're going to leave this column as it is because that's what we want. And cell color we leave. Now order we have to change and select green and then leave this on top. There. As you can see, the table has now been sorted by green, with green being on top. Okay, so that concludes this lecture. We have covered how to sort by cell color with a color at the top. And again, if you wanted to have a color at the bottom, you simply change the option here, this one, to go on bottom. Thank you for listening and watching. If there are any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out.